What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first official DIY video. Yesterday off camera, I painted the wall behind me matte black. And today's video, I'm gonna show you all how to upgrade any room in your house with 3 simple items: a wooden board, flowers, and metal letters. Let's get into it. Now that you have all of your material, the only thing you need to put it together is hot glue. Yes, hot glue. You can either find a hard surface, the floor, a table. I use the floor. Organize your letters, and after your letters are in the place where you want them, and after it's in the desired spot, you move on to the flowers. So the flowers can be a little tricky, and that is the more time-consuming part, but lay your flowers out wherever you want them, and then once everything's in the desired spot, hot glue. You hot glue all of that to the board, and then to top it off, what I did, I bought this for trim. So this is a square dowel that I bought from Hobby Lobby. You can also find it at Home Depot. It's about $2.99. I put one on the bottom, one on the side, and the small piece on the top, you know, use my karate skills, broke it in half, hit the pointy part with some flowers. So it's super simple, super fast, but the simplest DIY can make the biggest difference in your room. So this is our finished product. The quote that I decided to use was "faith over worry." This is just a constant reminder for me that my faith is greater than any worry that I can have. Please pick whatever quote is best for you. A daily reminder is what's best, but I'm so happy that you were able to experience this with me. If you enjoyed this DIY, please do it yourself and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.